Now experiment number 1, over voltage relay. In this relay we need over voltage. This is the relay. Then here DC power supply, variac, auto transformer, 1 voltmeter we require and 1 switch. As per circuit diagram we have connected variac to the voltmeter. From voltmeter it is connected to the switch. Now this switch goes to terminal 1, goes to the pin number. Here pin numbers has been given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here this pin number goes to 10, another pin goes to 9. So in between 9 and 10 we have to connect this switch. This switch has to be connected. Then from 3 and from 8 it has to goes to the power supply. This should be goes to the power supply. Now we have to remove here one sheet, it will be there, glass sheet, we have to remove that. And then see this pin, this clip has to connected here 121 here we have to connect. So this is nothing but 121% of the plug setting. Another plug setting is 132, 143 and so on. So we have to do the experiment for 121 plug setting first. Now when we are completing this wiring or completing the circuit, we have to start the experiment. So we have to switch on this experiment. When we are switching on, first we have to give the power supply. See here voltage plug setting we have to provide. See, this is the experiment. Here as per circuit diagram we have connected the supply. This is variac. From variac, across variac we have to connect the voltmeter. From variac it goes to the switch. From again switch it goes to the another terminal. This negative goes to the another terminal of the switch. Then again switch another terminal goes to here this relay. 3 and 8 point is the power supply DC and 9 and 10 connected to the switch. As per circuit diagram we have done this. Now what we have to do here, first the variac should be at the 0 position. Variac should be at the 0 position. Then now see voltmeter is connected directly to the supply. So here we have to go through the table. Full लेने की कोशिश करो सर. 121 plug setting, that we have done here. 121 plug setting, 121, same we have to write here 121 plug setting. Then we have to set the time is 100%. So here is the time setting. No, here we have to set to the 100%. See, here is 100%. We have set this horizontal line should be at the 100% full setting. Then we have to adjust 150 volt. You can start from 200, 150, 160 and so on. So from variac we have to adjust this voltmeter to 150. It should be 150. 150 volt. Then what we have to do? See, after 150 setting, 121 plug setting, 100% time setting here 100% time setting, then we have to set the voltage by variac is 150 volt. Then you have to start the time period, stopwatch you have to start when the switch should be on. If I start the switch, we have to start the time setting. So now I am starting. Start. So if we start this time setting, here see here this starts rotating. See inside this pin, see inside this pin starts, here pin is there, this pin starts rotating and this clip will fall down. So after that again we have to remove this switch. If you remove this switch, see the moment it will come to its own position. This clip come to its own position. Now we have to push this up. Again we have to start the switch, start the time period. Here you keep. If you start this, नहीं आपके हाथ में पकड़ो सर. If you start this, time starts in seconds and this starts rotating. See, it's fall down. How much time period? 8.56 means 8.56 means here see for 150 volt 8.56 nothing but 8.6 approximate we got the time required for this if 4 voltage relay operates. For 150 volt relay operates till 1.6 seconds. So this way we have to continuously take this, then set for 160 volt. Same way you have to start the switch should be closed. Then again remove the switch, again push it up. Now I'll again one more reading I'll take 160 volt. Now we are setting for the 160 volt. Now for 160 volt we have to switch this. If you switch you have to start the time. Time is started. See, and it starts rotating. See, if it stops, it falls down, then you have to stop the time. So if you stop the time, that time you have to note down here. 7.6. Here 7.6. For 160, 7.6 we got it same only, already readings are there. Same procedure, again you have to open the switch, then it will goes to its own position. Slowly it goes to its own position. Then again you have to push it up. Again repeat the same thing for 121 100% time setting. Repeat same for 170, 180, 190 and 200. After this, what we have to do? Same 121 plug setting. We have to go for the 80%. Now here is 100% we have done. Here 100%. It's not visible clearly, but if you come and see, now we have to change it for 80%, 0.8. 0.8 is there, that is nothing but 80%. Okay. So we have changed this. Again for same thing, 80%, we have to go for 150 volt, 160, 170, 180. Again for 150 I'll set 150 voltage. Voltage will set for 150. Again I'll on the switch, close the switch. If I close the switch, time will starts and then it will starts rotating. Same thing. Then you have to note down for 150 how many seconds. Here we got it 7 seconds. We got it here. We have to write 7 seconds. Same way, then remove this switch. Then push it up this. Again we have to set for now 80%, same thing, 150, 160. Then we have to go for the 170, 180, 190 and 200. Now same thing we have to do for the 60 per time setting 60. Again we have to set for 60. The lower plate has to rotate 60. Now again same thing set for the 150. Is it? Now again you have to close the switch. If you close the switch, it will start this rotating. Yeah. Now stop the stopwatch. Then write for 150 how much is the seconds. How much? 6 seconds. We got it. 5.2. Don't write the seconds in fraction. You have to write approximate like 5, 4, 6 and so on. So I'll send these readings also. You have to draw the graph. And then you have to write this full experiment. So this is nothing but over voltage relay. In this over voltage relay, if voltage is more than its rated value, so your relay trips. So this is the over voltage relay.